What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 23 and today's topic will be how to chat with YouTube videos using Llamaindex. Okay, so suppose you have one video or you have multiple YouTube videos and now you want to actually develop certain LLM based like requirements, let's say you want to develop a chat based application where you want to query your YouTube videos, or maybe or probably you want to develop a knowledge base, and later on you want to use the knowledge base by asking some question and get some answer. So uh, and it could be anything or everything. So whatever is possible to do with YouTube videos, that can be actually achieved with the help of this tutorial. Okay, and ultimate objective is first you have to get the data from the YouTube video, and after that you can do anything, right? So I believe in our LangChain series we have done this tutorial multiple times for different use cases, and here I'm not targeting any specific use case, rather than I'm just showcasing how to use Llamaindex capabilities to interact with any platform to get the underlying text or content from it. So here our source is YouTube or YouTube video. From the YouTube video we'll be going to extract the transcript of the video or maybe the content of the video, and after that later on you can use that for your goal or like bigger use case, right? So that is the thing. Like if you know Llamaindex, if you know LangChain, or if you know any other platform, then probably you will be able to solve this use case like with ease. And not only AI driven or not only LLM driven applications or use cases. Suppose your requirement is to do something differently, maybe you are doing some purely classical development related one, which is not or nothing to do with AI, and that time if your requirement is actually to get the data from YouTube video, then probably you also use this technique. Because if you want to use some YouTube API and other things, that will be a little bit lengthy and tricky process, but this process is going to be very easy. Only 2-3 lines of code and you'll be able to get the data from the YouTube. Okay, so that is the ultimate objective is in this tutorial, how to chat with your YouTube videos using Llamaindex. Okay, before I move ahead with the next or slide, I would like to say a couple of housekeeping things. So first thing first, this is the tutorial number 23. Before that I have already uploaded 22 videos, so it's a recommendation and humble request. Please go ahead and try to watch the playlist from the beginning if you are new to this series, and if you're already watching this series, then one more request guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, try to share our videos as much as possible, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that you should not miss any of our future updates. And second thing, if you go to our YouTube channel, and if you go to the playlist section, there will find one more playlist with LangChain. In that playlist we have created more than 107 or 8 videos, and that series is completely detailed, like starting from the beginning to advanced. Each and every aspects are covered, and that tutorial is not finished. I'm uploading videos on a regular basis but not frequently, because right now my objective is to complete this Llamaindex series. So if you are a passionate guy, if you have a like aspiration to go deeper inside the domain of artificial intelligence and LLM, then probably this two playlist is will be very useful for you. Okay, so then please subscribe to my channel, because the moment you guys start subscribing, my subscriber count will increase, and also YouTube will start promoting my videos with the help of their natural YouTube algorithm as well, and that will help me to grow or reach large number of audience, and I love to grow. So please guys, help me to grow. I need your support. Okay, and as promised, I'll always come back with nice and quality content on regular basis. Okay, so enough of talking, enough of self marketing and promotion. So let's move ahead with the next slide. That is the ultimate thing. So chat with any YouTube video. Okay, so that is the objective. What exactly we're gonna do it here? So first we'll install this, and this I believe I have already installed, so I won't be going to run the installation part, but this is a prerequisite. Without this will not work, and then you'll be going to load the video with the help of our Llamaindex. Okay, and the source code is available here. Okay, so what I do, I'll be just going to save this thing, minimize this thing, and I have already created a folder here, and let's start working on our code. Okay, so the actual tutorial will be very simple and short, but it will be very interesting one. Okay, so first thing first, for llama underscore index. Okay, then you have to write YouTube, right? I don't think YouTube, it will be readers, then YouTube transcript, right? And it will be import YouTube transcript reader. Okay, so it should be YouTube transcript reader, right? Now I'll be going to import two more module here. So one thing is actually from Llamaindex.core import vector store index, right? So first thing first, we'll be going to create a loader. Okay, so let's create a loader object here. So it will be simply like this, and now we'll be going to use this object to call the underlying method to get the documents. So let's create a variable called documents, and documents will get the data from YouTube transcript reader, and inside that okay, no, sorry, it should be loader dot load data, and inside that I'll be just going to publish the YouTube links, right? So what you can do, you can create links. Let's say links. Okay, so links will be a list like this. Okay, so now let me go here, let me go to my YouTube channel. So probably I'll be going to get this link from here. Okay, so let's open this link here. I just copy the link. Okay, so it will be a very interesting link, and you can see the video length is also more than 1 hour or 2 hours. So it will be an interesting one. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll be just going to post this thing. So now it's become a list, and here I'll be going to YT links. Okay, and it should be links. Okay, it's done. Let's try to execute this thing and see whether I'm able to get any error or not. If no error, it means everything is working fine. Obviously it's a 3-hour video, so maybe it will take some time. It's done. Now my next objective is to actually print and get to see whether I'm getting something or it's just purely blank. Okay, so let's try to print something here. Yeah, too many things are there. Okay, yeah, very good. So we got everything here, right? Now next objective is to create a vector index with this content. So it's very simple. Vector store index dot from underscore documents, and there I'll be just going to write this. Okay, then okay, clear, done. Now let's execute and see I'm able to convert that into a vector index or not. Okay, so no error means everything is fine, right? So yeah, no error means everything is fine. Now I'll be going to create an engine equals to index dot as query engine. Okay, so it is done. Maybe then response equals to engine dot query, and inside that I'll be just going to ask something, and then we'll be going to get the print response. Okay, so all done. Now let's see, let's ask something here. What is the topic out? Okay, let's see. Okay, give some information on good diet plan from the context. Let's see whether I'm able to get something or not. Right, it is doing something, obviously. Pick a diet plan, and that can you add here to the whatever, choose from the restriction that give a good context with step by step details. Let's see. I asked him to actually give me a diet plan with the step-by-step details. So pick up from the step. Let's just say the video track everything it allow. And that, yeah, that is how it is actually giving it. Like maybe here not a detailed plan is mentioned, but because it's a podcast, so question answer was there. So probably it is good actually that we get some information from the video. Okay, right. Now, if you see here, I'm using just a simple, what do you say, a simple thing. I'm not using any default any custom LLM. You can use Chat GPT 4 Omni model, and probably that will be a very interesting one. So maybe I think LLM. Okay, so LLM equals to LLM. I don't know. Like, let's see from Llamaindex dot llms dot openai. So import openai. So openai, and there probably I can just write model equals to GPT hyphen 4 omni. So let's try this thing and see. Hopefully this should work, because here we are using this GPT-4 Omni model, and this should give me a little bit better answer. At least that is what I can expect. Yep, right. So see, that is the power of LLM. Okay, yep. See, right, this is super cool, right? Okay, so I believe that could be the end of this tutorial, and we can conclude over here with some closing notes. So one of the closing note is don't just watch this video. After watching this video, try to write down the code and try to extend or customize this video for some other or personal use case. For example, here my video is actually having one like link. You can do it for multiple links. You can make it more customized. You can integrate it with Streamlit, right? So many different things you can achieve, right? So why I'm saying this thing, because nowadays everybody is learning so many different things every day, right? And if you don't practice, eventually you will forget those things. Those are not being used, or those are not being like practice on a regular basis. Suppose if you watch this video and after that if you don't practice, eventually you will forget for sure, right? Okay, so for that I just want to emphasize that you should forget all of this thing, so that you should not forget, and when like situation arise, you can you can go up to the speed, and you can deliver those use cases for your client and for your like company, right? Okay, so before I conclude, one more time, guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share our videos with your family and friend. If these videos are helping you by any means, please let us know by some sort of positive feedback, so that it will be helpful for other people. It will motivate us, and it will also good for the YouTube algorithm to promote videos to the large audience. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the bell notification icon, because we are uploading videos on a regular basis. So I want all of you to get the notification. Okay, so enough of talking, guys. I can close the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.